Standard 7th subject Social Science chapter number 9. India Social Life Part 2. In first part we have learned that India is a land of diversities, yet they live with unity. And we are learning the social life of the people of India. We have learned about the social life of Western India, their clothing style, their food, their work, occupation, their specialities, dance form in Western India, folk music, etc. Today we are going to learn about the social life of the people of North India. Their main food is wheat based. They also consume pulses, vegetable, fruits, ghee, milk and buttermilk. Lassi, that is a sweetened buttermilk of Punjab, is delightful to the taste. Punjab is known as the land of 5 rivers. The people are steady and hardworking. Men and boys wear loose pant or slick with a collared shirt or t-shirt. Some males also wear kurta pajama and jacket. Especially the Punjabi farmers. Many Punjabi, mainly Sikh, wear turban on their heads. The women wear salwar kameez with bright colored dupattas. Jammu Kashmir is famous for its natural beauty since immemorial and has been aptly described as heaven on the earth. The costume of Jammu Kashmir are well known for their embroidery and intricate design. The traditional pehran is the most popular form of dress among both men and women. They also wear Mughal type turbans or headgear, colored scarf worn by women on their head. Variation is seen in their outfit due to modernization. The most of the houses in North India have terrace and are made of bricks, wood, stones and mud. The Dal Lake in Jammu Kashmir is well known for its famed house boat, that is shikaras. Hindi is widely spoken in North India. Besides Hindi, Punjabi, Sindhi and Kashmiri languages are spoken. Dialects such as Bhojpuri and Bihari are spoken in Uttar Pradesh. Festivals and fairs in North India are celebrated with great fervor. The Baisakhi festival of Punjab is celebrated with great pomp. Bhangra, the folk dance of Punjab, is lively and liked by all. The folk songs of Kashmir, devotional songs of Uttar Pradesh and Punjab are well known. The nature of people of North India are different. Punjabis are lively and cheerful. Kashmiris are quiet and poised. Jammu Kashmir is known as the paradise on earth for its amazing landscape and scenic beauty. It has snow-covered mountains, green valleys, and natural lakes. Jammu and Kashmir is bestowed with breathtaking natural beauty and can mesmerize anyone. Countless gardens with terraced lawns, cascading fountains, paint box, bright flower beds with rare flowers in the state. The handicraft and traditional industries of state has been crucial importance. Some of the items of industries are paper match, wood carving, carpet, shawl making, embroidery, etc. Saffron is predominantly cultivated here. These are the picture of carpet of Kashmir and embroidery work of Kashmir. Agriculture is the principal occupation in North India. People are also engaged in cottage and small scale industries in North India. Most of the population of India are living in North India and are doing various activities related to agriculture. Next is the social life of South India. The people of South India are benefited by long sea coast. They are short and sturdy in build. Rice is the important diet, with fish being an integral component of coastal South India. They prefer to eat on banana leaves and on all the important occasions. Idli, dosa, sambar, vada are some of the famous food items. South Indian women traditionally wear the sari and adorn their hair with sweet smelling garlands of flowers. The men either wear white dhoti or colorful lungi. The fisherman wears clothes to suit their occupation. The houses are made of bricks, wood, bamboo, stone, and mud. They have sloping roofs and it rains heavily in these areas. People residing near the coast areas live in huts. Houses boats are seen in backwaters of Kerala too. As rains heavily in South India, people used to make houses of slanting roofs, as shown in this picture. Different languages are spoken in South India. English and regional languages like Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, and Kannada are widely spoken. They are famous for their passion for religion, tradition, custom, and culture. People living in South India follow a very ritualistic lifestyle. Therefore, festivals of South India make them popular all over the globe. Onam, Pongal, boat races, Dashera, and Diwali are celebrated with great enthusiasm. Mohiniyattam and Kathakali are the dance form of Kerala. Bharatnatyam is the dance form of Tamil Nadu, and Kuchipudi is the dance form of Andhra Pradesh. Are the famous dances of South India. Following are the costumes for these dance forms: Bharatnatyam, Kathakali, and Kuchipudi. Farming and fishing are the major occupation of people. Paddy is the main crop of the region. South Indian culture, with its visible difference in customs and traditions, form an important part of Indian culture and livelihood. In next part, we will learn about the social life of East India. Thank you.